A very good afternoon to my dear students. I welcome you on behalf of our NTCC High School family. This is Regina Victor Joseph, your subject teacher for English, and I welcome each one of you to the online class. Instructions before we go ahead. Use earphone or headphone for better sound clarity. Sit in a quiet place to avoid any mishaps. Keep a book, pencil and eraser handy. Read the lesson loudly as guided by the teacher. You may pause the video to make note of important points and resume to the PPT. Stay indoors and healthy at home. So today, my dear students, we're going to do a new topic from our English Bal Bharati book for standard 3rd, that is chapter number 3, Tenali Raman draws a picture. Now, when you see this colorful picture, what comes in your mind? Like, this story is really very interesting, and there are so many other things, isn't it? Like, we have the lion and the mouse, then you have the monkeys with the cap seller story, the 3 little pigs. Those were the fables, right, children? So, today let us see what is this lesson all about. Now here I have shown you the pictures of the core characters. Core characters, children, means which are the important characters in this lesson. So on the left hand side you can see that there is a king who is sitting on his royal chair. Yes, that is the king. And then towards the right hand side you have the messenger. And they both are having conversations. The king is telling the messenger something to do. And on the extreme right hand side, you can see a cute little man who's wearing that tikka and the earrings and ornaments, and he's saying something. His name is Tenali Raman. So here we are talking about Tenali Raman in this entire story. So these are the main characters, the king, the messenger and Tenali Raman. So let us see what this lesson is all about. I'll read it for you and you can understand, and then you can pause the video also and practice reading, children. Okay? Lesson number 3, Tenali Raman draws a picture. Tenali Raman is standing in front of a drawing board. A drawing board means he is using a canvas to draw. Suddenly, a messenger, "Good afternoon, sir. The king wants you." Raman, that is Tenali Raman, "Shh, don't disturb me. I am busy." And then the messenger goes away. So the messenger comes in and he tells, "Good afternoon, sir," to Tenali Raman, and tells that the king wants you. And Tenali Raman is very busy. He's saying, "Shh, don't disturb me. I am busy." And then in the meanwhile, the messenger goes away. King. Now the king walks in. "Raman, I was waiting for you. What are you doing?" So the king was waiting for Tenali Raman and he said, "What are you doing?" Then Tenali Raman said, "Your Majesty, I was drawing a picture." King. "I see. We would like to see the picture." Raman. "Here, Your Majesty. This is my picture." King says, "Is this a picture? What have you drawn, Raman? Please explain." Then Tenali Raman says, "I was drawing a cow eating loads of grass." So here you see the Tenali Raman tells the king, when the king asks Tenali Raman, "What are you doing, Raman?" So he says, "I'm drawing a picture." So the king says, "I would like to see the picture." And Raman says, "Here, Your Majesty, take a look at the picture." And then the king looks at the canvas and says, "Is this a picture? What have you drawn? Please explain." And then Tenali Raman says, "I was drawing a cow eating loads of grass." So you see in this slide I have showed you, this is a canvas, okay, on where you have different kinds of art that is being done by the artist. But this board is empty, this canvas is empty because Tenali Raman has to draw the picture that he has to explain to the king. So you can see here on the left hand side you have the canvas with the brushes and the paint. In the center you have the picture of Tenali Raman, and on the extreme right hand side you can see the king. King is asking Tenali Raman, can you please explain what you have drawn? So Tenali Raman tells king that this is his imagination, okay, that I have drawn a cow and the cow is eating loads of grass. So if you can see the cow, cute little cow, there's grass in his mouth and he's sitting on a heap of grass as well, children. So I have written over imagination of Tenali Raman. I want you to just have a little thought over here. Now we saw that the canvas that was there here, it was empty, right? But when the king saw this, he said he cannot see anything. So he asked Tenali Raman, what have you drawn? Can you explain? So when he was explaining, this was his imagination. ठीक है, जो हमारा दिमाग का ख्याल होता है, it's a thought in your mind, that is called imagination. So he says that I have drawn the picture of a cow eating loads of grass. Moving on to the next paragraph or the dialogues in this story. King, is this a picture? What have you drawn, Raman? Please explain. Raman says, I was drawing a cow eating loads of grass. King, loads of grass? I can't see any grass here. Raman, that's because the cow ate it up. King, and where's the cow? Raman says, after eating up all the grass, the cow walked away, Your Majesty. The king, ha 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 ha. Raman, you always make me laugh. So now in this part of the dialogues, king says, is this a picture what you have drawn, Raman? You have to please explain what you have drawn. And Tenali Raman says, I was drawing a cow eating loads of grass. And the king says, loads of grass? But I cannot see any grass in this canvas. Then Raman says, that's because the cow ate up the grass. And then the king is asking Raman, and where's the cow? Then Raman says, after eating up all the grass, the cow walked away. So you can see it was his pure imagination. And the king realized that Tenali Raman was making the king laugh. It was just a imagination, a joke that he cracked with the king. And then at the end the king laughed, ha ha ha, Raman, you always make me laugh. So this was how Tenali Raman made the king laugh. Okay, students, it's a very simple little short kind of a skit, I would say, that has just 3 characters in it: the king, Tenali Raman, and the messenger. Okay, so let us see a few meanings that I have highlighted. Meanings, first one is disturb. Disturb means to interrupt somebody while he or she is doing something. Okay, whenever someone is doing something, you just cannot walk in between and disturb them, because they must be doing something very important. That is the reason why they say, please do not disturb me. The second word is busy. Busy means having a lot of work to do. So now at present you have your assignments, you have your exams, and you have to really study. You have to go for your classes, you have to go for your online studies, and you have to go for your tuitions. So you're really busy and you have a lot of work to do, children. So that means the meaning of busy. Messenger. What is the meaning of messenger? A messenger means a person who carries a message, right? So you can see the messenger means a person who carries message. Let us have a recapitulation, children. The first question is, what is the name of the lesson taught? The answer is, the name of the lesson taught is Tenali Raman draws a picture. Yes. Question number 2. Who brought the message to Tenali Raman? We know the answer? Yes, I'm sure we all know the answer. A messenger brought the message to Tenali Raman. Question number 3. Who wanted to see Tenali Raman? The answer to this question is the king wanted to see Tenali Raman. Question number 4. What picture did Tenali Raman draw? The answer is Tenali Raman drew a picture of a cow eating loads of grass. Right? So here you have to understand these questions. Please do not note these questions. This is just for your explanation part. I will be sending you the notes later on, children. Please just listen to this PPT and understand what the teacher is explaining you. Okay, do not write all these things. It is just for your understanding purpose. Children and parents, please understand, do not make the students write all these things. This is purely explanation part. Okay. So now I would like to ask my students, do you have any doubts? Is there anything that you want to ask? If so, you can always contact me through call or on WhatsApp. Okay, my dear students? Now, activity time. Students, I have a little activity for you. So let us see what is this activity all about. Be excited. Students will enact the core characters like King, Tenali Raman and Messenger as explained in the lesson by the teacher. You can take the help of your siblings and parents to do the skit. So you have to enact the skit like an acting. Okay? You have to have these 3 characters and you know what is the dialogue. You have to prepare that accordingly and you have to make it creative in your own way because this activity will carry marks. Okay? So each and every student has to perform this skit and you have to record this video and send it to me on Wednesday. That is 14th, not 13th July, sorry, it's my mistake there. It is on 14th. Okay, today is Monday, Tuesday and then Wednesday. So Wednesday you have to send me this skit. It should not be too long, children, a minimum of 2 to 3 minutes. That is all. Okay, and the best one will definitely get some surprise. Okay, my dear students, see that when you're recording this skit, your background has to be really clear and clean. Okay, that is all, my dear students, for this lesson. Thank you so much and God bless you all.